Supplication by Imam Zain al-Abidin, peace be upon him. When he asked God for well-being and thanked him for it.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Merciful, the All-Compassionate.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa alihi وألبسني عافيتك وجللني عافيتك.
O God, bless Muhammad and his household, clothe me in thy well-being, wrap me in thy well-being.
وحصني بعافيتك وأكرمني بعافيتك وأغنني بعافيتك.
Fortify me through thy well-being, honor me with thy well-being. Free me from need through thy well-being.
وتصدق علي بعافيتك وهب لي عافيتك وأفرشني عافيتك.
Donate to me thy well-being, bestow upon me thy well-being. Spread out for me thy well-being.
وأصلح لي عافيتك ولا تفرق بيني وبين عافيتك في الدنيا والآخرة.
Set thy well-being right for me, and separate me not from thy well-being in this world and the next.
اللهم صل على محمد وآله وعافني عافية كافية شافية.
O God, bless Muhammad and his household, and make me well with a well-being sufficient, healing.
عالية نامية عافية تولد في بدن العافية عافية الدنيا والآخرة.
Sublime, growing, a well-being that will give birth to well-being in my body, a well-being in this world and the next.
وامنن علي بالصحة والأمن والسلامة في ديني وبدني والبصيرة في قلبي.
Oblige me through health, security, and safety in my religion and body, insight in my heart.
والنفاذ في أموري والخشية لك والخوف منك والقوة على ما أمرتني به من طاعتك.
Penetration in my affairs, dread of thee, fear of thee, strength for the obedience which thou hast commanded for me.
والاجتناب لما نهيتني عنه من معصيتك.
And avoidance of the disobedience which thou hast prohibited for me.
اللهم وامنن علي بالحج والعمرة وزيارة قبر رسولك.
O God, oblige me through the Hajj, the Umrah, and visiting the graves of thy messenger.
صلواتك عليه ورحمتك وبركاتك عليه وعلى آله وآل رسولك عليهم السلام.
Thy blessings, mercy, and benedictions upon him and upon his household and the household of thy messenger.
أبدا ما أبقيتني في عامي هذا وفي كل عام.
For as long as thou causest me to live, in this year of mine and in every year.
واجعل ذلك مقبولا مشكورا مذكورا لديك مذخورا عندك.
And make that accepted, thanked, and mentioned before thee and stored away with thee.
وأنطق بحمدك وشكرك وذكرك وحسن الثناء عليك لساني.
Make my tongue utter thy praise, thy thanksgiving, thy remembrance, and thy excellent laudation.
واشرح لمراشد دينك قلبي وأعذني وذريتي من الشيطان الرجيم.
And expand my heart toward the right goals of thy religion. Give me and my progeny refuge from the accursed Shaitan.
ومن شر السامة والهامة والعامة واللامة.
The evil of venomous vermin, threatening pests, warming crowds, and evil eyes.
ومن شر كل شيطان مريد ومن شر كل سلطان عنيد ومن شر كل مترف حفيد.
The evil of every rebel shaitan, the evil of every refractory sovereign, the evil of everyone living in ease unserved.
ومن شر كل ضعيف وشديد ومن شر كل شريف ووضيع.
The evil of everyone weak or strong, the evil of everyone born high or low.
ومن شر كل صغير وكبير ومن شر كل قريب وبعيد.
The evil of everyone small or great, the evil of everyone near or far.
ومن شر كل من نصب لرسولك ولأهل بيته حربا من الجن والإنس.
The evil of everyone, jinn or man, who declares war on thy messenger and his household.
ومن شر كل دابة أنت آخذ بناصيتها إنك على صراط مستقيم.
And the evil of every crawling creature that thou hast taken by the forelock, surely thou art on a straight path.
اللهم صل على محمد وآله ومن أرادني بسوء فاصرفه عني.
O God, bless Muhammad and his household, and if someone desires ill for me, turn him away from me.
وادحر عني مكره وادرأ عني شره ورد كيده في نحري.
Drive away from me his deception, avert from me his evil, send his trickery back to his own throat.
واجعل بين يديه سدا حتى تعمي عني بصره وتصم عن ذكري سمعه.
And place before him a barricade, so that thou mayest blind his eyes toward me, deafen his ears toward my mention.
وتقفل دون إخطاري قلبا وتخرس عني لسانه وتقمع رأسه وتذل عزا.
Lock his heart toward recalling me, silence his tongue against me, restrain his head, abase his exaltation.
وتكسر جبروته وتذل رقبته وتفسخ كبره وتؤمنني من جميع ضره وشره.
Break his arrogance, abase his neck, disjoint his pride, and make me secure from all his injury, his evil.
وغمزه وهمزه ولمزه وحسده وعداوته وحبائله.
His slander, his backbiting, his fault-finding, his envy, his enmity, his snares, his traps.
ومصائده ورجله وخيله إنك عزيز قدير.
His foot soldiers, and his cavalry, surely thou art mighty, powerful.